Hello and welcome to Simon's Simple English. Today we're going to talk about the difference between good and well. And this is something that many of my students get confused with. So, what if we wanted to describe how somebody played football? Would we say he played football good or he plays football well? What do you think? The answer is he plays football well, not he plays football good. And why is this? I will tell you now. So good is an adjective. And what does an adjective do? It describes or modifies a noun. So he plays football good is not correct, because plays is what? Yes, plays is a verb. It is not a noun. So, how's about these examples? He is a good boy. Good is talking about boy, which is a noun. The food is good. So here, good is talking about the food, which is a noun. My test was good. So here we're talking about the test, which is a noun. So well is an adverb. And what do adverbs do? They describe or modify a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. So an example could be, she sings well. He plays basketball well. My meeting went well. So good is an adjective. Well is an adverb. So what about if we wanted to talk about a concert? So we go to the concert and we enjoy the concert. So the concert itself was good, because the concert is a noun. So the concert was good. But what about if we want to describe how the band played in the concert? So the concert was good, the band played good or well? The band played well. The band played well. Excellent. I hope you're getting this. But as with everything in learning English, it seems like there are exceptions. So there are times when this rule does not apply. Sometimes well is also an adjective. And that is when we talk about health. Okay, so we could say, my mum is well. Or if we wanted to ask a question, we could say, is she well? Is she well enough to travel? So this is really the only exception for well. There is another exception. I'm very sorry. And that is for good. Remember, good is an adjective, so we don't use it with verbs. We use it to describe or modify nouns. However, good is used with a very select few verbs. These are called stative verbs, and they're verbs like to be, to look, to seem, and to feel. So with these verbs, you can be good, you can look good, you can seem good, and you can feel good. Okay, but that's another exception. So that's it. I hope you found this video useful. I hope it helped clear up any confusion that maybe you were having between good and well. And I hope it helps you not make this mistake in future. Please like the video and also subscribe to my channel, and more videos will follow. Very nice to see you. Thanks very much for watching. Good luck with your English journey, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.